Oh, there's that bad kid. There's that kid that acts like a hellion. There's that kid that throws a fit everywhere. There's that kid that has no respect. That's that kid that doesn't do his work. I'm not saying you can't recover, but it's a whole lot easier not to have to recover. It's a whole lot easier to start now, and that's not just an 8-year-old. When you get to be a teenager, we all do dumb stuff. Like, do dumb things. It comes with the territory. But if you're 15 or 16 years old, why try to spend the rest of your life recovering from the reputation you had when you were a teenager, when you could decide before right now, I'm going to try to live before the Lord with character and reputation so that one day that follows me into adulthood.